What are you gonna open?
That.
Your package from Shar?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh! Why don't throw them?
I'm sorry. A beautiful skirt. It's beautiful.
Look, do you see? It's Minnie Mouse on there.
Yeah.
Oh!
Hey, look! Look, Daddy! Oh my God! Whoa!
Come, is there any more? It's so beautiful!
And that one.
Look at that one. Oh my Lanta. Is it Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Look, do you think they'll match your shirt? Oh yeah. Sweet.
There's more.
There's more. Oh my goodness.
Here's one.
It's a little elephant.
And this one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Mason, say hi. Take a picture? Oh.
Take a picture of them.
Okay. They're so beautiful. Ooh. Okay, say thank you, Shar.
Thank you, sir.
I love my bows.
I love my boy.